Since 2003, we've been sharing your journeys. Together we have nurtured. Together we have grown. Together we have explored. Together, we have inspired. Together, we have challenged. Together, we have flourished. And together, we look forward to exciting futures, inspiring exceptional achievement, inspiring exceptional people, sharing journeys, shaping futures since 2003. We are Shrewsbury.